Let me show you billing in detail and how to manage it with ease. Let's get started. Once the load is delivered and the BOL is received, it's time to prepare the invoice, whether you're sending it to the broker or submitting it to your factoring company. Let me walk you through how to manage billing step by step from inside the load. Head over to the Billing tab. Let's click to create an invoice. You'll notice the due date is automatically set, but you can change it if needed. Once your invoice is generated, you can open it in Documents and make adjustments in Notes by clicking on the green pencil. Let's see the structure of the invoice itself. The layout is clean and includes all necessary billing details. You can personalize the header and footer of the invoice as an admin user. Simply go to My Company, select Invoice Settings, and make your changes. So, back to the load. Once you've created the invoice, you can download it as a PDF, send it directly to the broker by email, or add it to a factoring report or QuickBooks. In the Service tab, you can add a lumper, detention, or other adjustments to the invoice. For lumpers fees, you can decide who pays. If the company paid, it will be added to the invoice only. If broker paid, it will be added and then deducted from the invoice. If driver paid, it will be shown both on the invoice and in the driver's settlement. Now, let's switch over to the Documents tab. Here you can upload your rate confirmation, BOL, and any other documents like a lumper receipt or a proof of delivery. These documents can be merged into one document and sent to your factoring company. Take a look. All your documents are combined in one convenient spot. Back in the Billing tab, you can also see the driver payable or other payees linked to this driver or particular load, like a dispatcher. If you need to add a one-time co-driver or equipment owner, just click the green pencil icon next to the driver's name. Select the payee from the drop-down, and the system will instantly calculate the amount and display it right under Driver Payable. You can also add any specific additions or deductions related to this load for the driver here. If you want to override the driver's payable for this specific load, just click the green pencil icon here and make your changes. After adding the load to the settlement, you'll notice a small lock icon here. Hover over it to see which settlement it belongs to. If the invoice is already part of a factoring report, you'll also see the report number and can open it directly from here. Finally, click the Recalculate button and select Driver Pay if you've recently updated the driver pay settings to apply the changes to this specific load. That's everything you need to know to manage billing from inside a load. Create your invoice, track payables, and stay organized with your documents.